There's a lot of design disciplines, and permaculture focuses on how nature does it. How does nature solve problems? How does nature solve spatial relationships? And in permaculture design, we have examined and observed natural systems and synthesized a set of protocols. And we use those protocols to design, so far, just about anything. So permaculture design is using nature for design solutions. A lot of people think that permaculture design is about gardening. And honestly, it's because we've given people that impression because we talk a lot about gardening. But I think more to the point is that what the Permaculture Academy does is we use the permaculture and the garden as a metaphor for everything else. The garden becomes the metaphor. Permaculture design is really about decision making and problem solving. Decision making and problem solving protocols that are derived directly from the observation of natural patterns. I think that there's a different way to train ourselves, a way to train ourselves to default to asking that question, how would nature do it? In that itself, it leads us to no toxicity, it leads us to no wasteful products. We kind of arrive at things that are better for the planet and ourselves. And instead of making decisions where we just default to being a victim of things around us, that we can really take action and be more in charge of our resource base. Another important aspect of permaculture design that I like to remind people about is that you don't do permaculture, you use permaculture in what you do. Just like you don't architecture a house, you don't do permaculture. You use permaculture in what you do. You can apply it to anything, any discipline, any service, any skill.